summer, gift yourself or your child a skill that lasts a lifetime. I'm Chef Arfa, and this is our summer baking camp. Whether you are just beginning your baking journey or looking to refine your skills, this camp offers hands-on training in a focused and supportive environment. Participants do not simply observe, they actively measure, mix, bake, and decorate their own creations under guided supervision. From understanding ingredients and precise measurements to mastering essential baking techniques, each session is designed to build both skill and confidence. With small batch sizes, we ensure personal attention, clarity of instruction, and a meaningful learning experience for every participant. All ingredients and materials are provided. Participants also receive digital recipes and structured guidance to continue practicing beyond the camp. Beyond baking, the program nurtures creativity, discipline, patience, and independence, valuable qualities that extend beyond the kitchen. The summer baking camp will be conducted in 4 specialized batches, each focusing on distinct recipes and techniques. Batch 1, Trending Treats, will be conducted on April 6th, 7th, and 8th. Batch 2, Eggless Bakes, will be conducted on April 17th, 18th, and 19th. Batch 3, Professional Baking, will be conducted on April 27, 28, and 29. Batch 4, Global Delicacies, will be conducted on May 8th, 9th, and 10th. At the conclusion of the camp, each participant is awarded a certificate of completion in recognition of their dedication and newly acquired skills. This summer, don't just spend time, invest it. Gift yourself a skill for a lifetime. Register now to grab your spot.